What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys here how to get all your cryptos into just one account. Okay, so you can have 10 exchanges that you guys have crypto on. I'm gonna show you guys how to get all those cryptos and connect it into just one account, so you can see how your investments are doing, how each cryptos are doing, all adding up, and you can see how much you have all together as a whole. So I'm pretty sure you guys have cryptos on a bunch of exchanges out there, or even cold storage or anything like that. So I'm gonna show you guys here the easiest, the fastest, and also very secure. You're not gonna connect your account to this, okay? That's not what we're gonna do here. The reason why it's secure is because you're not gonna connect your account to this. It's not like all your accounts are gonna be connected to this app and it's gonna have control of it and know the passwords and stuff like that. It's not like that. It's very simple. So the app to do this is this app right here, and it's actually a very popular one. It's called CoinMarketCap. As you guys can see right here, they also have a website, so you want to click it right here. And in order to do this, you do have to make an account, but it's very simple. You can do it right on the app. Just make an account, put your email, your password, and all that stuff. This app is very clean. In my opinion, it's better than CoinGecko. I feel like CoinGecko is a little choppy, but this app is just super clean. It has a bunch of features, as you guys can see right here: compare, watch list, price alerts, converter. But what we're interested on is the portfolio. We want to get all of our cryptos and just put it in one account. So it's right here. It's right in the middle. So after you make an account, you're going to be able to do this, and it's very, very simple. And what I love about this is, you guys can see, you get a chart right here. You got a 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, so you can see how all of your crypto investments are doing over time. And I think that's just awesome. They also give you a pie chart. You can see in the pie chart which one you hold the most of. Okay, you can also see the stats. The stats is awesome because it tells you your best performance, the best performance crypto that you have in your portfolio. It tells you right here, and it also tells you the worst performance. Okay, recently, of course, it tells you right here, and it tells you, what I love too, is your total profit lost. So right here, it tells you the percentage too. So overall, this app is super clean. It has a bunch of stats and features, and I'm going to show you exactly how to add your crypto and how I do this. So it might be a little tedious, but I'm just going to tell you guys that it's worth it, especially if you're a long investor and you're holding crypto for a while. Okay, all you gotta do is, you're gonna go to each one of your exchanges. You're gonna see how much of that crypto that you have. So for example, on the app Celsius that I'm earning interest on for Ethereum, I just go in that app, I check how much Ethereum I have, and I saw that I have 1.012 Ethereum, as you guys can see right here. So all you gotta do is go right here to add new asset. You're gonna click on the crypto that you have, and what I love about this is that CoinMarketCap has all the cryptos that you could think of. Okay, from low cap to, guys, I'm telling you, look, even baby Doge. Okay, look right here, baby Doge. They have all the ones on the Pancake Swap, on Trust Wallet. They have all. So like I said, I got Ethereum, and there's two ways that you can add this. You can either add how much crypto you have. Now let's say it's one of those very low cap coins and it's just 0,000, right? You can do how much money you put in it, if that's easier for you, if you guys know what I mean. So let's say I bought baby Doge for $20, right? Instead of putting all those numbers that is confusing, you just put it that way. But for Ethereum, it's easier to put how much Ethereum I have, which is 1.012, right? And then all you gotta do is press add transaction. That's all you do, guys. After you do that, it's gonna be right here in your portfolio, right over here. It shows you right here. What I love about this is that you can see how all of your cryptos are performing, okay, in just one app. This is awesome because I don't have to be logging into Kucoin or logging into Voyager to see how that one's performing. I could just see it in this app, in CoinMarketCap. A fast way to add is actually right here at the top. You just click right here and you can add right away instead of scrolling all the way down. Another cool thing is that right here, if you change it to percentage, it tells you the percentage change, okay, for your holdings instead of just the price. And CoinMarketCap is super accurate with their prices. Okay, they're very accurate. There's one of the biggest ones up there with CoinGecko on the prices and everything. And other awesome features that this app has is news. Right here, you can check out the news. And right here in the settings, you could change it to light. Okay, I have it on dark. I just like it that way better. What I recommend too is your launch screen. What I like to do is launch on portfolio, so I don't have to like click it all the time. So every time I launch this, it just goes straight away to my portfolio. So yeah, guys, that's CoinMarketCap. That's how you add all your cryptos into just one account. Like I said, it's tedious. You gotta keep adding, but after you do it for the first time and then you just buy here and there, even if you forget one day, you can just go to the app, see how much exactly of that crypto you have, and then just add it right here right away. And it's just very simple. And like I said, in my opinion, I'd rather do this instead of connecting all your accounts into one. If there's an app out there that does that, I don't recommend that because probably not secure. This is way more secure. So that's how you guys do it. I'm gonna leave the link for CoinMarketCap in the description below. All right, definitely check it out. And if you guys want to join a crypto group, join my crypto group on Facebook. It's public and free, and you can post anything crypto related. I also have one on Reddit, and definitely check out my Patreon as well. That'll all be in the description below. So thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.